Alright, so for your 9906, we're going to be installing these Escalade door handles for the driver and passenger side, getting these out. And we're also going to be replacing this broken extended cab latch. On these, you'll have to pull this plastic out. It should be 2 clips, and then you pull up. And then there'll be a 7 millimeter screw here, 7 millimeter here. Some doors will have a screw here and a screw here, and there will be one at the bottom. So let's go ahead and get these plastics out. You pull on this fat side first, and you pull it towards you a little bit. It should come right out. Then you should be able to pull this one out pretty easy too. There it goes. Then we'll use that 7 millimeter. Then we gotta take that bottom one out. Next, you want to pry off this little light. Should be able to push it from here. Connects from here. Got it. Turn this back in. Now we got the door off. Always make sure this is clipped back in. This sometimes pops out when you remove the door. Okay. Now we just got to remove this. You'll have one bolt. It'll be a 10 millimeter bolt. And you should be able to slide it forward, and then it'll come back. Then there you go. Kind of just pull it toward you with the flathead. You kind of pry it right here and pull it out. Push it in to the little tab. Then we do this. Push it to lock it in. And now you can just slide it in to those 3 little holes. Slide it left. Make sure everything functions. Now we can put the door back. Everything's in. Now we just got to put our stuff back. put this back in. Then your 7mm long. Or you can just put this trim back on. Push these two clips in. And our door lock. And now it's going to be the same for both sides. And don't forget to disconnect this harness and be careful with this harness. This is probably the easiest door. I don't know the exact bit this uses, but I have a flathead that fits perfectly. So all we're going to do is unscrew top and the bottom. And just put the new one in. You might have some issues with it. I always have issues with this one. Putting the screws back in. Kind of have to pull on the inside of the handle and see the groove. Kind of have to go towards outside. Now it's seating. Door opens like normal. Make sure it says this door opens like normal now.